See here children, take the page number 83. Page number 83. All of you take the page number 83. Let us take a piece of square paper. See here, take a piece of square paper, take like this. Okay, fold the paper into two half. You fold like this. Fold the paper into two half like this you fold. Okay, then you fold in this corner. Okay, what is this? Now see what is this shape? Is in the house shape. Okay, you color this paper, decorate it, put window, put door and all, you color this one. Okay, color this roof, color the walls and all. You draw here window, then door and all you draw. Draw and paste in the page number 83. Fold the right corner, then fold in the left corner, then turn it, then turn this side and stick in the space given here. See here, one box is given here. Then take this house and paste here. Color it, then color the roof, color the walls and all, draw here door, then window, then paste here and write, this is my house. What you should write? THIS, this is MY, my, dash is given here. What is this one? Say what is this? House. HOUSE, house. Take page number 84. Take page number 84 all of you. Page number 84. I can do. The topic is I can do. Heading. Tick. TICK. Tick this is all book exercise. Tick the correct picture. Picture for the sentence. For the sentence. Book exercise. If you are having book only, you can do this one and all. Otherwise, take your rough notebook and note down. The THE, the shirt, SHIRT. The shirt is small. The shirt is small. Here big shirt is given. Okay. Then here small shirt is given. Then which one is correct? Say this is small shirt, this is big shirt. Then which one will be correct sentence? Say children, the shirt is small. Then tick here in the small box. Tick here. This one only correct. Tick here, small shirt. Then the cot is big. THE, the COT, cot. IS is BIG, big. Big means perusu. See here, small cot is given here. Then big cot. Cot means கட்டில். நம்ம வீட்டில் தூங்குவோம் இல்லையா, கட்டிலில் படுத்துட்டு, இது வந்து சின்ன கட்டில் ஒன்று, பெரிய கட்டில் ஒன்று. Which one is correct one? The cot is big. So, take in the big. The tree is tall. THE, the TREE. The tree is tall. TALL. Tall means what? நல்ல உயரமாக இருக்கிறது tall. See here. The coconut tree will be very tall. Coconut tree, palm tree and all tall trees. Tall means height. Which one is correct? This one only. Tick in the tall. The tree is tall. Next one. The THE, the ribbon. RIBBON. Ribbon is long. Long means what? Ribbon means girls used to tie in the hair, no? Ribbon, that only ribbon. Ribbon is long. ரொம்ப நீளமா இருக்கு. Short means சின்னதா இருக்குது. Long means நீளமா இருக்குது. See here. This one is ribbon. This one is long ribbon. This one is short ribbon. So, which one is correct? This one only correct. Okay. Take in the long ribbon. The rat is fat. THE, the RAT, rat. IS is, the rat is fat. Fat means குண்டா இருக்குது. இங்கே பாருங்க. One rat is small here. Okay. This one is fat. ரொம்ப குண்டா இருக்கு இந்த rat. You see in the picture. If you are having book means refer it. Miss is drawing only rough here. Okay. Rat is very fat. Tick in the fat box. Rat. Tick here. Okay. Listen here once again. You see the board and listen. Refer your book also. THE, the shirt. 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 IS is small. 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 See here. This is only small shirt. Okay. Put here tick. THE, the COT, cot. IS is BIG, big. Tick in the big. Big cot. See here. This is only big. The tree is tall. THE, the TREE. Tree. IS is tall. 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 See here. This is only tall, height. So, put here tick. THE, the ribbon. 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 IS is long. 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 See here. This is only long ribbon. So, put here tick. The rat is fat. THE, the RAT, rat. IS is FAT, fat. See here. This is only fat. Rat. So, tick here. Okay, understand children? Do the book exercise and read, okay? If you are having book only, you can do all this exercise. Otherwise, take a note in your rough notebook. Afterwards, after getting the book, you write in that. Next one, choose and write the correct blend. Same page number only. Choose and write the correct BLEND. See here, choice is given here. BR, CL, ST, then NK. See here what will come. AP. Here the picture is given. Clap picture is given here. Okay, this is hand. We are clapping. Okay, what will come? CLAP. CL will come here. Okay, CLAP, clap, clap. Okay. Then brush picture is given. USH, brush, brush, BR, see here. Then BR, brush. Then pink color is given here. Next picture, what picture? Pink color. This is pink color. Pink, P-I, what will come? Pink, ink, pink, N-K, K sound, N-K sound is coming. N-K, pink. Then nest. Nest means what? Kudu. Kaka kudu, kuruvi kudula kattalingla, adha kudu. Nest. N-E dash is given. Nest, ist, nest, S sound is coming. Nest, then ST. See here, clap, 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 clap. What? CL, AP, clap. Then brush, BR, brush, BRUSH, brush. Pink, ink, NK sound is coming. PINK, pink. Then nest, ist, ST, S sound is coming. NEST, nest, ST is here. Okay, children? Copy it in your textbook. Otherwise, note down in your rough notebook. Afterwards, after getting the book, you can write in the notebook. All should pay the fees and get the textbook. Then only you can understand what Mrs. is teaching. Okay, children? Thank you, children.